Good day, friends. Today we want to talk about this topic, subject of the formula. But before we start the topic proper, I would like to touch some tips that we need to know so that we understand the topic very well. Before you know subject of the formula, you're supposed to know how signs used to change when they cross the equal sign. Why the subject of the formula? When a sign cross the equal sign, it will now be the opposite. Like opposite of plus, when it cross the equal sign, is minus. We all know that one. Opposite of minus, when they cross the equal sign, is plus. Opposite of multiplication, when it cross the equal sign, it will be division. Then when division cross the equal sign, it will be multiplication. If a variable has square, when it crosses the equal sign, it will now be square root. So assuming a variable has raised to power 3, when it crosses the equal sign, it will be cube root. If anything has raised to power n, raised to power any number, when it crosses the equal sign, it will be root n. That means this n is just any number. If this one is raised to power 10, it will be root 10. If it is raised to power 5, it will be root 5. I think if we know this better, subject of the formula will not be hard for you to understand. So having known this, let's solve this particular question. Make y the subject of the formula in x root y over 2 equals to t. This one is very easy. If you use that tip that I gave you, it will be easier for you. So the first thing we are going to do now is to take this 2 that is dividing to the other side. Based on the tips I gave you initially, 2 is dividing. When you go to the other side, it will times x root y over 2 equals to t. That is the question. Then x root y equals to 2 is going to this side. It was dividing, now it will times. 2 times t equals to 2t. First step gone. So next step is for this x that is timesing. This x is timesing, it will go to the other side. So root y, x that is timesing will go to this side. When it goes to this side, times will turn to division. Multiplication will turn to division. That is 2t over x. Second step gone. Next one is this root that is in y will go to the other side. So there will be no root again. We will only write y. I write only y. Y equals to, when square root go to cross the equal sign and go to this side, it will now turn to square. So now we'll write 2t over x. All of them in square. Therefore, the subject of the formula of y is equals to 2t square over x square, or 2t over x, all in square. Answer. Very simple. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.